Thank you very much. Marisa, sa mga anak ni Sunny, Dodo, Sandy, Briggs, Joy, Dads, mga friends niya, mga classmates. Sunny and I go back a very long way, not 1981, but 1976. Not as long as the Ateneans, hanggang elementary magkasama kayo. 1976, I was then tasked to organize a new government corporation. And our chairman and president, Colonel Tanseco, siguro iba sa inyo, kilala siya, Jean Tanseco, asked me to interview this guy. Sabi niya, ito, baka kailangan natin for our operations department, vice president operations. So he asked me to interview him. But before I interviewed him, I looked at the CV. Very impressive. Ateneo, AIM, of course, a lot of other experiences. And then I interviewed him, and immediately I warmed up to the man. Madali. It's very easy to get along with a person like Sunny. Nakita ko very gregarious, warm, articulate, and sounded very intelligent. And he sounded like the right man for the job. And of course, we were not wrong. He got the job. And a lot of people who knew him and who knew me thought that Sunny and I would not really get along well together. Dahil medyo yung personality niya, medyo iba sa akin. Ako medyo formal ng konti, hindi masyadong mahilig sa nightlife. Hindi masyadong mahilig sa lakaran. But we did get along kasi masarap siyang kasama eh. You could talk to him endlessly, non-stop. And then when you get to know Sunny, you get to know a lot of other people. I would call it a menagerie of people, all sorts of people. Abogado, businessmen, Ateneans, even Lasalians, even Ayo, mabibili mo. Napakarami, all kinds of people. Hindi ko nasasabihin iba pa, Marisa, no? So, nagulat yung marami that we got along, pero as I said, it's very easy. And then as I got to know him, not only at work, because after I became Postmaster General in 1981, that stopped the official relationship, but it started the more personal relationship. Kasama kami sa biyahe sa Hong Kong, we had dinner until my wife was with us sa San Francisco. Doon makikita mo yung quality niya. I think you know that, galante. Galante, he'd spend the last centavo, even borrow money in order to spend for friends. Selfless, almost unselfish, unselfish, unconditional friendship. That's the quality of Sunny. Alam niyo, sa ganitong klaseng wake, mamimiss ko si Sunny. Kasi tuwing nagkakasabay kami sa wake, gusto ko siyang katabi kasi talagang walang tigil na kakwentuhan. But unfortunately, in this wake, hindi natin makakausap si Sunny. He's not going to regale us. He cannot regale us anymore with his stories. But there's one anecdote that I remember so clearly. This happened about 10 years ago. You know, isa sa mga istambayan ni Sunny noong una, kung talagang barkada mo siya, you would notice, Ozone. He was there almost every night. In fact, dinala niya kami ni Nancy doon sa Ozone. Tapos, nung masunog yung Ozone, nung nabalitaan ko, very early in the morning, nasunog yung Ozone, sabi ko kay Nati, Nats, nasunog yung Ozone, so we got very worried about Sunny. So, tinawagan ko yung telepono niya. Siya ang sumugot, sabi niya, buhay pa ako. Pala, hindi lang ako yung tumawag, ang dami mga tumawag. He was able to save himself with good timing from that conflagration. But unfortunately, that's conflagration from outside that killed a lot of people. But unfortunately, in this particular instance, there's that internal conflagration in his body that he was not able to save himself from. So unfortunately, San is not with us anymore. We miss him. I will miss him. He's like a brother. He helped me in so many stages of my political career as a campaigner, as a contributor. Mabawasan ng konti yung campaign fund ko dahil wala si Sunny. Pero baka yung mga ibang friends niya. Star ko din. Good friends. Dito siya. Siguro buhay si Sunny, sasabihin niya, Roy, huwag kang mag-alala. Andiyan yung mga kaibigan ko, mga tiniyan. So po, kayo na bahala siya po. Hindi naman violation ng election code yung bibigay ng show pa. So, Sunny, on behalf of the family, my wife, my children, all of them know you. We'll miss you. Ang buhay ganyan talaga, una-unahan lang yan. So, Godspeed on your journey. Maraming salamat sa inyo and thank you so much for making me a part of this ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Roy. Totoo yun. Naalala mo, nakakumpanya tayo sa Parañaque. Early 80s. We're part of that campaign. And now, I think, okay na tayo sa friends, so we go now to family. So, we have now yung third generation ito. We have two granddaughters. They we now call Nicole